Alright, just like the other knots we've discussed, the overhand stopper knot has some variations. There's the single overhand, there's the double overhand, which I will show you in a second, and there's also the triple overhand. These knots are useful just because they're bulkier and maybe you have a wider space that you need to fill for the stopper knot to be useful. To do the double overhand stopper knot, you start just like you start with a regular overhand, but here's the start again. You just wrap it around twice and pull it through. I find this knot to generally be more secure than the regular single overhand. If you have a particularly large rope, or you just need something that's really secure, you can do the triple overhand stopper knot. It's pretty much exactly the same thing. It's your single, double, triple. Then you pull the rope through, and you have your triple overhand stopper knot.